Hello guys, welcome to my channel, welcome to my makeup room. You all know that summer is here, and in today's video I'm going to show you step by step how to get that perfect, flawless, sweat proof, waterproof and everything hashtag proof makeup base for summer. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's get started. And I just think that this is going to be a very informative video. So yeah, have some coffee, have some tea, chill and stay tuned till the end. Now the question is why you need to know this. Now in summer we sweat a lot, and that's why our makeup tends to crease a lot quite quickly, and otherwise it may look patchy or cakey or even uneven, and that's something definitely not gonna make you look cute. So that's the reason. Now someone will say that so we just need some waterproof makeup to make our base long lasting. Now number one, something that is waterproof doesn't meant to be sweat proof, and number two, you need to know the right appliances, like how to use that waterproof makeup properly to get that sweat proof effect or sweat proof benefit. So yeah, here I am sharing with you my tips and tricks to make your base look long lasting even in summer and make it look sweat proof, bulletproof and everything proof. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's get started. And I know it's already been a quite long ass intro, so please excuse me for that. Skincare before makeup is really important as it helps in removing darts, oil and all those unnecessary things from your skin and makes it look clear and gives the nourishment that your skin may needs, and finally it preps the skin for makeup. So if you want a long lasting base, not for the summer but just for any cases, just for any time, do a good skincare before your makeup. The first step is to cleanse the skin, and I have already cleansed my skin using the M Caffeine Green Tea Detox Cleanser. It does a really great job in removing dirt, oil and pollution. Second step is to tone. I know many people skip it, but it's really an important step. Toner removes the last traces of dirt from the face. It also maintains the pH of your skin and prepare your skin for the next step. I am using this toner. It's the Good Vibes Neem and Tulsi toner. It's a pretty decent toner, does all the work of a toner, and I really enjoy using this. I am applying this toner with the help of a cotton ball, and you can already see that how much dirt it removes from my face even after I washed my face with a facial cleanser. Next, I'm taking here some ice cube, wrapping it around with the help of a cotton cloth, and I'm going to press it against my skin, and it's going to minimize the appearance of the pores, and also it's going to calm down the face, and it helps in minimum production or less production of oil in our face. I am gently patting my skin with the help of a cotton cloth to get rid of the water. Third step in skincare is to moisturize. For moisturizer, I am using this Good Vibes Vitamin C and B3 one. It's a serum. Moisturizing is very important even in summer, cause skipping moisturizer may leads to production of more oils on the face. So yeah, moisturizing is very important, and do not ever skip it. And I'm taking some of the serum in my hands, rubbing it in between and pressing it against my skin. I'm using this particular moisturizer because this moisturizer has a stick to it. So what is gonna does that our foundation going to stick to it really well, and that's how our makeup going to last really long. The last step of our skincare and the most important step, sunscreen. No matter what the season is, how the weather is, if it's daytime and you are stepping out from home, apply a good layer of sunscreen. It's going to protect our skin from all the harmful rays of sun. And here I am applying the Lotus Safe Sun sunscreen. It has SPF 40 and PA+++, and it has a tint to it which I like. I am patting this product on my face and neck rather than massaging it into the skin. Do apply sunscreen on the other exposed area of your body also. Starting with the makeup now, I am using this Oriflame D1 Pore Minimizing Primer here and applying it on the area where I have large pores generally, like on the T-zone. I'm pushing this primer in the skin, as you can see, and not rubbing this across my face to get that really blurred and smooth base for my foundation. And I'm actually using a really tiny amount because it is a silicone based primer, and applying more actually can move the base. Now I'm taking this foundation, it's the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I'm shaking it really well. I'm using a very little amount, and first I'm spreading it actually with the help of fingers on the center of my face, and then with the help of a damp beauty blender I'm blending it from the center of my face towards the perimeter of my face. As you can see, we are applying a very light layer cause adding too much foundation can cause creasing, and your foundation may look patchy, may look cakey, and we don't want that. So in summertime, always try to apply a very thin layer of foundation, and also use a matte foundation and a very long lasting foundation for summertime. I'm using this LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Pure Beige on the usual places of my face to give it some light and dimension. And again, I'm using a very little amount. Do not use too much concealer, otherwise your base is going to look patchy. And again, with the help of the beauty blender, I'm blending it into my skin really well. Now here's the trick. Apply your powder with the help of a damp beauty blender to really lock all in place. Try to use some loose powder rather than compact because it gives you even a smoother effect, a smoother surface. But today I just forgot to bring my loose powder, so yeah, here I am just using this compact. It's the Oriflame Colorbox powder in the shade Natural. I'm really pushing the powder into my skin using the sponge to seal the concealer into place for longer time. Dabbing the sponge only to the places where I have applied the concealer before, and now I am using a fluffy powder brush to apply the powder gently all over the face. Do not overpowder your face cause overpowdering will make your skin even drier, and that will result in more oil production in your skin, and that's going to make you look even more oily. So yeah, never do this mistake of overpowdering. Our desired base is done now. After finishing your makeup, don't forget to set it with a good setting spray. Spread it all over your face and let it dry. It will give more longevity to your makeup. And yeah, I'm done with the rest of my face and I'm back. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then don't forget to like this video, share this video, let me know your thoughts on this particular look in the comments below. And yeah, if you want to know how I got this particular eye makeup look, then follow me on Instagram. I will be posting this look on the Instagram, so yeah, make sure to follow me that, and my Instagram handle will be somewhere in the screen, and the Instagram link will be in the description box below. So yeah, make sure to check that out. Till then, stay beautiful and keep spreading love.